Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about how to extract data from the MySQL database. So for extracting the data, first of all you have to create a connection with the database. So these commands are same that we have discussed earlier, where we are creating a connection with the MySQL database. Coming to the next part, so here we are going to add a query object where we have added a query. Let's select star from company. So this particular query or a command is used to describe the table that we have added in earlier class, the company table in which we have added a different data. So to see that particular table, you can use this command, that is select star from company. After that, I've created a result object in which here I have added a connection with the connection object, and after that here I added the query method. In query method I have added this particular query, and this if statement is used to get a result for this particular connection, that this query is displaying a table or not in the browser. So for that, if it is not displaying, then it will give an error that not displaying any table. So if it runs successfully, then the program code will come here, and here I've created a rows object that is equal to result, and after that I have added the num underscore rows. So this is used to count the number of rows that are available in this company table, and this echo is used here to add the HTML table. So here I have used this HTML code to add the table. For in HTML code we use this table opening tag and this closing tag to define the table, and in between this we are using the tr for defining the table row, first table row, and in that th is for the table heading. So this one is the first heading, that is id, this one is for the employee heading, this one is for the designation heading, and this last one is for the age heading. Coming to the next part, here I've added the for loop for that to get the output for every row. So it starts from I equals to 0 and it runs at I less than rows and plus I. So every value will increment as loop will goes on, as this condition will satisfied. After that, the another object is created, that is row. Here we have created an object that is rows. Here we created the object rows. So this row object we are referring this result object to fetch underscore array MySQL number. So here it's adding a numeric array here by using this fetch underscore array method. So it will fetch a row from this table and displaying it in the browser. After that, we have used the tr for displaying the another rows. So another rows goes from j equals to 0 and it end up with j less than 4. And after that it will goes on increment. And next we have added the echo for adding the table detail. HTML special character is used to get the special character from the table, and here define the row and this j in the array, rows array. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to run project. So here you can see that it shows this table with ID, employee name, designation and the age, as we have earlier discussed, and we have used this CLI command to display this particular table, and the same table is displayed here by running this PHP code. So here you can see that t is equal to 0, t less than rows and plus I. This one is for counting these rows, the number of rows in this particular table. And after that, this j is equal to 0, j less than 4 and plus j is to display the data that is in these rows. Like if j is equal to 0 and that satisfy the condition that j is less than 4 and plus j, that will increment the loop to the next level. So as j is equal to 0, it will display this first command, first row, that is 1 Mohan HR and 35. When j value is 1, it will display this, and when j value is 3, it will display this last row. And when the j value is equal to 4 and that condition is not satisfied, because here we have added the condition that j must be less than 4, so here the loop will end and this particular table is displayed here in browser. So in this way we can extract a data from a table that we have created earlier. So this is all about extracting data in MySQL command. Thank you.